Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll show you guys how to remove and replace the buttons that opens the fuel cap. I'm talking about the fuel cap on Volkswagen, Touareg, or however you pronounce that thing. Okay, so as you know, they're on the driver's side door panel right there. And one thing about it is, like, you don't even need to remove the door panel to remove and replace those buttons. Sometimes they go bad. If you get a screwdriver or a prying tool, you need to pry up and then it comes towards the back a little bit. Okay, and you'll be able to pull it out. Next we have the cable. Okay, so for the cable, all you have to do, just press in on that blue thing, press down and pull, and those are the buttons guys right here. Now if you need to remove the buttons only without the trim, okay, you need to pry them out of here on this side and this side as well. Okay, still holding here a little bit. Okay, right there. Not very complicated at all. So when you're ready to install them, all you have to do, push them in, connect the wire, install it on the door panel, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful. See you guys next time. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.